evening time, everybody. Hope you are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel and Patreon channel members. Alrighty, guys, I got a 400 high drive, HG 4-pill. Was just regular AM amp. The gentleman blew it up. We put 4 new transistors in it. We added bias, and we also added a new bias. Added automatic sideband, and got him all fixed up, ready for sideband and bias. New HG transistors 2879s. I know you said something about season there, bud, but with running bias and sideband, no way. And when I went on sideband, I just used regular radio drive. I wouldn't drive this with a driver on sideband, because that's what kills lamps. That's another story. I got plenty of bills on that. So real quick, let's hook this joker up and do a quick test review, and I'll be right back with you in a minute. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna finish out this video real quick. Start out like we always do, straight through SWR, worldwide. Get on down, 1.00, break. 42 PEP swing, 1-2, worldwide. We're gonna go in radio drive. Look at our peak over here, input SWR. Hello, worldwide, wide, 4-pill. That's pretty good numbers for radio drive. It's really hot radio drive, seems like. Worldwide, 1-2, does have bias, automatic sideband, and that's ready to go for you, bud. All new HG2879s. Break. Let's look at our bird 5-watt reverse on the down below. 1, 2, 3, half a watt. 2500 watt PEP. Worldwide, about 6, 7 somewhere on the bird. Go over and hit the driver. A little 2-pill on it. Turn back just a little bit. Hello, 2-pill, worldwide. Let it calm down. Worldwide. 969 and some change. 979 worldwide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5-watt reverse, half a watt, 2500 watt PEP, 1, 2, worldwide, getting close to 1,000 on the bird. Alrighty, guys, on the outdoor dummy load, the colossal, the big debate, will HG run on the antenna? Radio drive on the LP, worldwide, 600 some change, no reflect on the bird. We're going to hit the driver into it. Driving it with another amp, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Still no SWR. Driving the dog snot out of it. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, how about that? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go to average. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How about that? I might need to put that in reflect. I don't know. It's the SWR reflect, same thing, but the big debate, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1.07. Yeah, that last video may start up a little ruckus, but whatever. The guys are trying to get too technical about it. My only goal was to show that HG's 2879s can run on an antenna with no SWR. That's it. That's my only goal. All that other technical rigmarole or whatever, I could care less what you guys say. Go ahead. And I have removed some comments from that video, and if it keeps on, I'll disable the comments. I ain't gonna put up with it. And there's a couple idiots I've just got rid of. It has brought out the trolls though, so I can see what trolls to get rid of. Worldwide, get on down. Alrighty, guys, there you go. And you see the LP stopped right there at SWRs. That's LP doing LP things. Let it catch it where it's supposed to be, where it ain't on the way up. See what I mean? Go real time. There you go. But anyway, guys. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate all my good customers, and appreciate all the business from the good guys. This is a good customer right here. I'll get you with you and get you a total. Appreciate everybody's business support and all the good people out there that support Donkey Stomper. Without you, we wouldn't be here, guys. And we know that. And we learn something every day, and we'll never know everything. But please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend 1008 Beavis. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.